Today on Geek Advisor, I'm going to show you how to add a signature to your Gmail email. So all your emails that come out through Gmail, or the ones you send, will have a signature at the bottom. Let's go down to Firefox. We'll open that up. I've already logged into Gmail. Let's go over to the little gear here. We'll click on that. We'll go down to Settings. Once we get into Settings, we'll go down until we find Signature. Right here. And right here we can click on this little button right here and we can add a signature. So let's say I wanted to add geekadvisor.com. I could do that. I can also make this a link if I wanted to. So I highlight it, go over here and click on this, and it turns it into a link that takes us directly to geekadvisor.com. Let's go ahead and add an image right underneath. Let's go over here and click on this picture icon. I've already uploaded a couple of images, but you can click here to upload if you want to, and you can select a file from the computer. I selected one of these. It ended up on my drive. So let's click on this one here. We'll hit select. And you'll see the image is really big. If I click on it, I can decrease the size. There we go. Now I've got an image right underneath my website address. I'm going to go up here and click on this, and I'm going to indent it so that it kind of is centered with the logo itself. I remove the text. I'm going to go ahead and make the logo the link. Click on this, come back, click on this. We'll change the link that we want to go to. And there again, we'll put in the web address. We'll say OK. And then we'll go to this link and we'll make sure that it works. And there we go, it works. You'll notice that there's a little white space right here, so it's not quite aligned. You'd have to make an image that doesn't have any white space, and then it would line up once you bring it in. Now once you make all the changes to your signature and you get it the way you want it, you'll come down here to the bottom, you'll say Save Changes. Let that save. Takes you back to the primary page. Then what we'll want to do is let's go ahead and test it out. Let's send an email to ourselves. We'll go up here. We'll send an email to ourselves up here. We'll put in the subject, test signature. We'll send it. And there it is. Let's click on it. And that's what it'll look like right there. Let's go ahead and close this. I have some videos above me here that you'll want to check out. There's one on how to set up a Gmail account, and the second one is how to set up dark mode inside of Gmail. Dark mode is a theme inside of Gmail. It's really good on the eyes. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.